This is Joey Franko from the UFO Hunter here. I met a guy with a drone. He has a YouTube channel. He let me film his drone with thermal, and I sent that into. The proof is out there. The name of his channel is BRD, V as in Victor, P as in Paul, R as in Ralph, A as in Alpha. That's B as in Bravo, R as in Ralph, D as in Dog, V as in Victor, P as in Paul, R as in Ralph, A as in Alpha. That's it, guy's YouTube channel. It definitely don't look like what I filmed. It does not look like a drone. You can clearly see what a drone looks like. Anyway, I'm going to share this video with you guys, and I'll be talking to you guys soon, man. Love you guys.
Right now.
So what, you just want to sit there? Or
yeah, you can do whatever you want, man.
As high as you can, anyway.
Well, you can go up higher. I don't.
Do it.
Let's get it warmed up here. See if we can get the battery.
That's so cute.
You can sure hear it.
Up.
My scope will hear that.
Why do you feel high to go?
Oh, it'll go away.
Oh, it'll go like 10,000 feet, huh?
Good. Take a good picture of it then.
That's a 200 right there.
That's 200 feet.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let me see. Let me focus it a little better.
Can they stop it?
Yeah, that's good.
There's 270.
There's an airplane. I'm looking at an airplane right above you. Okay, that's probably high enough.
Bring it down.
Because whatever I film, let me go more magnification.
Can you stop it?
There, now we're good. You're doing good.
You want to lean against me?
I got it. No, I'm good, Rhonda. Don't. That's so cool. You don't have to do that. You're just knocking me over.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to.
You have to get the pickup, isn't it?
Oh, I'm good. I'm real excited about getting to do this. I mean, this show does not look like what I filmed. I mean, you can hear the buzzing of it.
You can probably see the individual motors hot.
Yeah, that's what I told them. When they asked for that, they asked for it. This lady, she emails me, Joey, can you give us a drone? And I said, well, don't the arms stick out and there's like hot motors on it?
There's a...
Here, can you make it, you can make it just hover there and not do anything, right? And then you can look through it if you want.
It'll just be rock solid.
Look through it real quick.
You want to look through it? Here, check it out.
Yeah, it won't move.
That's so cool.
That is so cool. I want one of those suckers, man.
Oh, yeah, just what I figured it'd look like.
That is really cool. That's pretty cool. This thing costs $4,000.
That's what you're saying.
Where'd it go?
Just let me know what you want it to do.
You can move it around a little bit if you want. Oh, there goes something flying over. I don't know what it is.
No, I see a plane going over. Big one. Away.
Wow. That does not look...
How
How high up is that?
That is 44 feet.
44 feet.
And earlier it was 200 feet, baby.
It went up 200 feet a minute ago.
Yeah. That is the coolest thing.
Wow.
And you can video too, huh?
Oh yeah, he's filming. He can film with that. Yeah. Oh, I got it in perfect focus right now.
Videoing you. Videoing him.
Is he?
I'll send a picture. We can take a picture of it. We can video it too.
Yeah, video. Him taking a picture of you. That'd be cool.
I mean, you could hear that sucker humming. That thing that I saw that night, I had one eye open. I could not see anything. I could not hear anything. It just wasn't there.
Yeah.
I mean, you'd have never known it was there if you didn't have thermal.
I use it for my daughter's soccer. Not unless you're not out there, but
For game and stuff? Mm-hmm. That's so cool.
That is cool.
Video it.
That thing will go up like 10,000 feet, huh?
If you pack it, right now it's probably limited to like 2,000 or 1,200 feet.
Oh, really?
You don't want to be up there that high anyway. These guys are high.
I like how it can hover in one spot.
Yeah.
That is so cool. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel too.
I'm waving at it. Wave at it.
Wave at it. Uh-oh, I lost it. Oh, I lost it.
Yeah, we'll go right above you. Straight above you.
Oh.
Fill the air in a second. There, now get underneath it and look at it there.
Wow.
I gotta focus. Yeah, you can feel the air of that sucker.
Wow. I like that.
Wow, that's so cool. It's so crystal clear. You want to look at it? You want to check it out?
Oh my word!
That's the same thing that those Navy pilots are using to video those UFOs on the news. The same kind of equipment.
It's so crazy how the blades overlap, but one's higher than the other. You notice that?
Uh-huh.
That is cool.
Yeah.
I never noticed that before. You can see the heat signature on it.
Wow. That is really cool.
Okay, you got a video going?
Yeah, I've got it.
Here,
I'm
I'm gonna go up and forward at the same time.
Okay.
You want to sit on the edge of this baby?
Yeah, you want you move
Come here.
over here. So you don't
Sit right here.
just
There you go.
lock
No. Now you go straight up.
Yep.
it. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. It went out of focus, but man.
Wow, it's quick. That is a... Wow. I love it.
Wow, that's cool. Yep, I got it, man. It's perfect.
Cool.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bet.